How to share Excel sheet on Google Drive. Need to share your Excel file online? Let's upload and share it using Google Drive. So if you want to actually share your sheet with a Google Drive link, you just need to click on the share button at the top right of that specific sheet. So make sure to name your sheet, and then after that, simply set this to anyone with a link and then set their access into your preference, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. Now copy the link and then go ahead and set it to that specific individual to whom you want to send it. So basically, this sheet file can also be found on Google Drive. So once you open up Google Drive, you'd be able to find it under the most recent files that you've created on your account. So that is how you can basically share Excel sheet on Google Drive.